The king's hidden treasure. In a distant kingdom, a wise but aging king sought to find a way to instill lasting values in his people. One day, he summoned his subjects to the palace and made a grand announcement. In the mountains beyond the valley lies a hidden treasure, the king declared. It is guarded by challenges and hardships, but whoever retrieves it will not only gain the treasure but will also earn my blessing and a place of honor in the kingdom. The crowd buzzed with excitement. Many strong and able young men and women eagerly set off on the quest. The path to the mountains was treacherous. Dense forests, rocky trails, and wild animals awaited them. Days turned into weeks, and one by one, the hopeful treasure seekers returned, defeated and disheartened. "I couldn't find it," said one. "The path was too dangerous," said another. "It's impossible," they all concluded. Then came a young farmer who had also heard the king's announcement. Unlike the others, he didn't rush. He spent days preparing for the journey, packing supplies, tools, and water. When he finally set off, he tackled each obstacle with patience and determination. The forest was thick, but he used his tools to clear the way. The rocky trails were steep, but he carefully climbed, step by step. Along the way, he met others who had given up. Some mocked him for continuing, but he didn't waver. After weeks of enduring hardships, he reached a clearing high in the mountains. But instead of a treasure chest, he found a simple wooden sign that read, "The treasure lies in your journey and your effort. Return to the king." The farmer was puzzled but obeyed. When he returned to the palace, the king welcomed him with a smile. "You are the only one who completed the journey," the king said. "The treasure is not gold or jewels, but the strength, resilience, and wisdom you have gained. These are the true riches that will serve you for life." The farmer was honored and realized the profound truth in the king's words. From that day on, he lived with confidence and inspired others in the kingdom to face challenges with courage. Moral: life's greatest treasures are not material but the qualities we develop through perseverance and effort. The journey itself is often the most valuable reward. Thank you for watching. Your support inspires us to inspire others. Subscribe and let's spread positive